Hello everyone, this is Yoona from SINOMADA China Limited. Our company has been dealing with all kinds of construction machines for over 16 years. Today we are going to visit SANY concrete pumps factory to show you the hot selling machines and the most popular. Okay, now beside of me is SANY 37 meters of truck-mounted concrete pump. This is the overseas version, and we also have domestic versions. This concrete pump can be pumped to 37 meters, and the whole theoretical output is 116 cubic meters per hour. This model is equipped with SANY chassis and also have 3 legs. The engine is German Deutz and the power is 3048 kilowatt per 1900 kilowatt RPM, and the engine emission standard is 5.
Looking at the cab, comfortable cab comparable to passengers' car experience, multi-language human machine interface, and also can easy maintenance. The single button high-low profile switch, multi upgrades assure high suction rate and significant advantages in pumping efficiency. It also have equipped with comfortable seat, and it has also overseas view.
As we all know, SANY has world-class lighthouse factories with top-level manufacturing capacities, assuring reliable quality, careful matching of components, ensure stable performance of the whole machine. That's all for today. We also have overseas and domestic models. If you are interested in it, please feel free to contact me. That's all for today. Goodbye.